also chosen it because of the various implications of the findings of the study. Extrusion technology is a way of processing cereals and other ingredients to make different products. This is commonly used technology, especially when making snack products. These snack products tend to contain high levels of both salt and sugar, as these ingredients can affect sensory qualities of the products, as well as the potential to affect the structure and texture of corn and wheat extrudants. Snack food manufacturers are now beginning to want to produce their products with lower levels of both salt and sugar due to wanting to create healthier products that more people may be able to enjoy. By lowering the levels of salt and sugar in products, they become more healthier as people aren't consuming as much of either ingredient, which can lead to health issues such as cardiovascular disease or diabetes. This goal led to the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation undertaking a study which looked into the effects of reducing both salt and sugar levels. The study showed that by keeping all the variables the same except for the amount of salt and sugar, the product structure became more porous as the salt and sugar levels decreased. This was without affecting the product's viscosity. It also showed that with decreasing levels of salt and sugar, the product's texture was not influenced and the consumer acceptability was maintained. These results mean that there is the potential to decrease levels of both salt and sugar without affecting properties of the products. This is good news for snack food manufacturers, as it means they have the ability to decrease salt and sugar levels in their products, making them healthier and giving more options to consumers. This topic acts as a production issue, as in the food industry, extrusion is commonly used to create various types of products. By having this information available, how some products are produced or what they contain may change to benefit the manufacturer, consumer, or the product itself. Even though extrusion is commonly used, there is still a lot to be learned about its characteristics such as processing variables, ingredient interactions, and the effect of material modification on the product's texture. So by having found this information out, it shows what can be achieved during the process. This may lead to further findings which may benefit the industry further. This topic also acts as a consumer issue, as it is them who will consume the products which may be produced. As your health and diet are becoming more aware to people, there is demand for healthier products to be available. By manufacturers being able to reduce the salt and sugar levels in extruded products, a proportion of this demand will be met. There is also a continuous demand from consumers for high-quality products. As the results of the study show there are no undesirable effects of reducing salt and sugar levels, extruded snacks produced with these lower levels should maintain the quality, meeting this consumer demand. The buying decisions of consumers may also be affected, as there will be these other products that wouldn't be as much of a health risk to them, or more products available to them if they do have a limited diet, such as a diabetic. Marketing issues also arise from this topic of reducing salt and sugar levels in extruded snack products. Manufacturers would be able to use this information to their advantage and create new products to sell to consumers. Manufacturers could also use it to promote their products, which may lead to an increase in sales of their products. In conclusion, the results of this study into reducing the salt and sugar levels in extruded snack products will be beneficial to the food industry, snack food manufacturers, and the consumers of these products, as it shows the potential to create healthier products for consumers, as well as what can be found out during research studies. For the article and more information, here's a reference of the article from Food Navigator.